Welcome back to Faraday's Juniors channel. So today we are going to solve a question on induction motor. The question says that what? A three-phase induction motor is wound for 6 poles. So first of all, we need our data. Our data here. And then here the number of poles is equal to 6. So apply from a frequency of. So the frequency is actually 60 Hz. Yes. Calculate A, the synchronous speed. Okay. So NS. And NS is giving us what? 120 F over what? Over P. It is the same as the theta speed, right? So means that we are going to get 120 times the frequency, which is 60. And then here the P is giving us what? 6. Okay. So it means that our synchronous speed will be equal to 1200 watt RPM. So B. Next thing is to find the rotor speed when the slip is this. So we can say that rotor speed is giving us what? The synchronous speed 1 minus the slip. We've already stated this. So it means that our speed will be equal to 1200 1 minus the slip. Here the slip is what? 5%. So 5% on 100. That will be 0.05. Okay. 0.05. So that will give us a corresponding value of what? 1140 RPM. Okay. So let's move on to the C. Okay. The rotor frequency when the rotor runs at the speed of this. So we have the speed, a certain speed given. So we can call it the rotor speed. It's actually giving us what? 600 watt RPM, right? So we have to determine the frequency. We know that the frequency is equal to what? That frequency will be equal to the slip times the actual frequency. But we don't know the slip for this speed, okay? So we can get that. The actual slip formula is given by what? The synchronous speed minus the rotor speed, all divided by what? The synchronous speed, which is equal to 1200 minus what? 600, the one that is given to us, all divided by 1200. That will give us what? 0.5 as a slip. So if we have the slip to be 0.5, it means that here S is equal to 0.5, right? So we can say that our frequency is equal to 0.5 times the frequency. Of course, the frequency was 60 Hz, okay? Multiply by 60, and that will give us a corresponding value of what? 30 Hz. Okay. We thank you very much, and then we are going to meet in our next question. Bye.